All right, guys, we picked up a little 65 Ford Falcon, hard top. It's a V8 car. It looks to be pretty clean. It's been sitting for a number of years. We're gonna get it back running and get it cleaned up, replace some things, and get it ready to sell. Let me turn this camera around and show it to y'all. Here it is. Been sitting in a warehouse for a number of years. Looks like it was somebody's hot rod. It's got a 289 in it, automatic. And MSD, aluminum intake, aluminum radiator. As you can see, it's filthy, but I think it's gonna clean up pretty good. It's a pretty solid old car. It's got a little bit of rust here and there, but pans are solid, trunk's solid. Black bench seat interior. It's got a B&M shifter, some gauges. We'll probably put a dash pad and some door panels in it. Redo the front seat. Just have to see how far we want to go with it. We may or may not do the seat. Looks like it's got all good glass in it. Nice solid trunk, solid drip rail. Battery's been moved to the back. Original steering wheel in the trunk. Original jack. Power assist steering. Color combination on this car is really nice. I think it would look super good with some nice wheels on it. Anyway, we're going to get it running and get it cleaned up and let y'all see what we do with it, how far we take it. When I get ready to start these things, they've been sitting for a long time. I'll go ahead and put some oil in the cylinders, prime the oiling system, and then I hook up an auxiliary like a boat gas tank, because we don't know what's in the gas tank yet, or the gas lines. So get these cleaned out and hook that boat gas tank up, and you know you're getting good fuel in the engine. I have already oiled the cylinders and verified that it spins over, so we're going to try and get it to run here. Got a little bit of an exhaust leak, but seems to run good. Got oil pressure. No real smoke. Got a nice sounding little cam in it.